Hi kids, today Manuella is going to show us how to make a delicious chocolate cake and to decorate it with vanilla, buttercream and chocolate molds. Wow, delicious! First, cut your white chocolate from the large bar into tiny pieces.
I am melting chocolate for 30 seconds, then I mix.
Place in microwave for 30 seconds. Then remove and stir. Repeat this, placing the chocolate in the microwave for 10 seconds only, then stir until the chocolate melts. Divide your liquid chocolate into 2 plastic measuring cups and leave some in the bowl. Add 2 drops of special food color into each portion of the chocolate and mix with a toothpick. Pour the chocolate into the silicone molds. Tap the molds to help the chocolate settle without bubbles. Place in a freezer for 3 to 5 minutes or until it is firm. Remove from the freezer and remove from the molds. Use the chocolate molds to decorate a cake that was baked earlier. Now you have a delicious cake you can share with your friends and family.